Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Here's my review of the Ledger Wallet and my personal experience using it. Find links to the products down below in the description. Let's explore what makes the Ledger Wallet such a popular choice for crypto enthusiasts. Ledger has built a strong reputation for its robust security measures. Their hardware wallets, including the Ledger Nano S and Nano X, are designed to prioritize the secure storage of your valuable cryptocurrencies. The key selling point is definitely the cold storage functionality. This keeps your private keys offline, shielding them from potential online threats and vulnerabilities. Ledger wallets incorporate a secure element chip for an extra layer of protection, making it extremely difficult for hackers to compromise your funds. Managing your crypto is streamlined with the user-friendly Ledger Live app. It allows you to manage a diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies, easily check your balances, send and receive crypto, and even stake supported assets, all within a single, unified platform. With support for over 5,500 coins and tokens, it's a versatile solution that caters to both newcomers just starting their crypto journey and seasoned traders alike. The interface is clean, intuitive, and compatible with both desktop and mobile devices, offering seamless access on your preferred platform. Setting up the Ledger Wallet was a breeze. The process is straightforward, with clear, step-by-step instructions guiding you through the backup and recovery phrase creation. This step is absolutely critical. Your recovery phrase is the only way to access your funds if your device is lost or damaged. It's commendable that Ledger emphasizes this importance with detailed and comprehensive guidance. The hardware itself is sleek, compact, and portable. Its small screen and buttons make navigating the device incredibly easy. For users who prioritize Bluetooth connectivity, the Nano X offers this feature, providing increased flexibility in managing your crypto assets on the go. Expanding its functionality, Ledger integrates with several third-party applications. This gives you even more options for managing your portfolio and even trading assets directly through the wallet itself. So, who is this wallet designed for? If security is your top priority and you prefer keeping your private keys offline, the Ledger Wallet is an excellent choice. It's particularly well suited for long-term holders and those managing a diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies. In my experience, the Ledger Wallet strikes a great balance between robust security and user-friendly functionality. This makes it a truly reliable and dependable option in the ever-evolving landscape of hardware wallets.